Hey guys, I'm HP and here we're going to talk about the features of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. First, we're going to talk about the feature for all free members, which are the same as for the premium members, and then about the premium membership features. So let's get started. Okay, you see now, I need my glasses here, otherwise I cannot navigate through the whole system here. I already logged in, or let me quickly sign out here to create a new account. Click on sign up here, enter all the data which is required, and please use a valid email address. If you don't get the automatic response for your activation, it didn't work out, so then you need to change your email address. Okay, just fill out all this stuff, and then I'm going to sign in now with a test account. So now it's powered by my main page, HPCrazy.com, and here you now see the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. On the top view, if you use a desktop version or a Mac, you see the latest posts here. You can just follow what's just going on here. When you scroll down, here are two clubs. One is the Guitar Students Club. The other one is the Meditation Club. These are my two main products which I'm doing in my work as an artist, and I come back just in a second. And here you see the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Just click on it, and now here you see all the different genres here: blues, rock, jazz, funk, covers, acoustic guitar, guitar secrets, artists, and so on, meditation, classical and film music, how to compose a song, and music theory. Now in several genres you have search tags. Here's an example: blues guitar easy. You can click on such a thing, and now all tutorials which are marked with blues guitar easy show up here. Okay, so let's click on one. Now you see additional tags here. Let's say drop D. If you love drop D stuff, click on drop D. And now again, other lessons which are marked with drop D show up here. So that's the advanced search tag system, which is available for all members, and it's really cool, a cool feature for you guys, that you really can go through this academy. Okay, so, and if you're just interested in blues, click on blues, and then you can follow here. Click on follow, and then you get automatic notification when a new content is showing up. And to organize your notifications, you go onto your profile. Wait, that was the wrong one. Here, profile. No, wait, where is it? Manage subscription. No, manage follow content. Here you can. I'm not following anything. Here you can do this. Okay. If you want to make your account more personal, here you click on your icon, then you get to your account. Here you can upload a photo or a second photo, and if you want to share your thoughts to the audience, I'm gonna make one now. Test. It shows up here, and it shows up. Then your fans or your friends can reply to this if they want, or react to this, and it also shows up here. See, here people can reply to it. Or the second feature is when you want to go to the clubs. Here's the Guitar Students Club. Shows up here on the top. That's the interactive feature for all students. Here you can really you can reply to my reply here, or Didi posted something here. Here's the Students Club. If you want to be an active member, just hit here, join club. I hit it now, and now you're able to start any topic of your wish, and you discuss anything which you like, test, and then submit. and that appears here. And here in the files, you can download free files, which are sometimes, you know, snippets of my work. You can download it here and just download here, and here you can download the stuff, which is free. Okay, these are all the free features. Okay, that's basically what you can do. Now here's another box here, this latest premium member downloads. I want to explain that. This is now for premium members. So if you check a tutorial, let's take this one here, sophisticated slow blues guitar. Here's the tutorial. It's for free for you. You can also comment here if you want. But here's a box, download this file. You click on this, and now you see you don't have the rights to download this. So in this case, if you want to download the files which are attached to any to any tutorial, you just make a subscription. You do either monthly or yearly, and you can pay either with PayPal. There you can set on automatic renewal. If you do that, please be aware that you're responsible to cancel when you want, and I'm not accountable for that. If you don't want to get an automatic renewal, then just don't. I'm going to show you here, PayPal. See here, pay renewal automatically. Just deselect if you don't want to renew automatically, or you can also select manual bank transfer. Then you get the bank data to transfer, but in this case, please only for yearly subscriptions, because I have to make the manual upgrade for you. And there information will be displayed there. So these were the premium. That's for the premium membership, and that's basically the main feature of being a premium member, that you can download all files which are attached to the tutorials. There are 2 or 3 more features which are also cool. If you're interested in having private online lessons, here you can book a private online lesson here, either per Skype, or which I'm doing since 2003, private video lessons where I record videos specially for you, and you send me feedback videos, which is really a cool thing, and it really works. I'm teaching, I don't know, hundreds of students since then, and it works. And I think there's one review here. Here's a review. And if one of you already had one here in the new system, you can also write a review here. So this is an additional service here, and I'm doing a live broadcast of my concerts. Here you find all information of my live broadcasts, and either guitar nights or meditation nights. And if you like it, you can go here and make a donation. So these are basically the features. The features here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, powered by HPCrazy.com. That's my main page. For many reasons, it's there and not on HPCrazy.com. Somehow over the years, that has been my membership area, but now it really turned into the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, so all features are there for you, that you can really start to interact. And if you need any help, don't hesitate to contact me on the support button. If you have any difficulties in making subscription payments, or renewal sometimes causes problems, just contact me and we can resolve the problem manually. That's all.